Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple. Not much to say today except I'm going through major excavator envy. Look at this. We put in 12 stone steps, and Michael, the owner of the landscaping company, let me operate that very fine, very sweet piece of equipment. Yeah, I know. It's 21 years newer than what I've got there. It's about the same power, but it's not. The excavator lift and breakout capacity is unbelievable compared to mine. Look at that landscape bucket. Love the serrated thumb. Whoa, there's a heavy duty rock bucket. All the wear plates in all the right places. And it's got a hydraulic quick attach. Used it. And hey, interesting factoid. The thumb control is at your thumb. Just joking. This machine does just fine, but my thumb is operated by that little foot pedal there. So that had me almost dropping stuff while I operated it. You know what? Hey, I can dream. And yeah, thanks for being part of the journey. Hang on to 8 fingers and 2 thumbs as best you can. Take care.